Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie. Oh, look at this. Hey, big box. Oh, big box. From the lovely Natasha. Yes folks, Natasha Jones, the bird lady of Zoom, has sent me a prezzie. So let's get the knife open and let's open this bad boy up for you so that you can see what we got today. Okay folks, so we'll just get the knife of goodness out and we'll cut this bad boy open. Trying obviously not to cut myself. So let's have a looky look. Oh my God. There's a few things in here, folks. Bless her. Oh, bless her heart. Well, I just want to make sure we got no messages. First up, folks, let's put stuff on here. Let's have a look. Right, we've got a little envelope of messages here. We've got a gift from Natasha Jones. Enjoy your gift. Same there and there. And then Merry Christmas to you and your family. Love and hugs from Natasha and the birdies. And we've got the names here. We've got Minnie, Gandalf, Luna, Bobby, Sunny, Craig, Danny, Snow, Elsa, Pikachu, Buzz and Tinkerbell. Big kisses and from Natasha Jones. Big love and hugs to Natasha and the birdies. So let's have a gander, folks. First up, we got the post box. Now I know what's in these. This is the other one for the collection of the teas, folks. Yes, this is the English Afternoon Teas collection. And I've now got the full set, thanks to Natasha and Ron. So yeah, look at these. So you open that up and then in there you've got your selection of English teas. Loads of tea bags stuffed in there, folks. Look at that lot, eh? And I'm going to be sending an envelope up to Natasha with some of these in so that when I'm back in the hangouts we can have a nice bit of afternoon tea with each other. But we got to be able to raise the pinky finger, folks. So yes, oh Natasha, bless your heart, love. So that's another set of teas. Oh mate, and the beauty of these as well is when they're done, these are perfect little storage pots, folks, for your bench buddies, things like your little Sharpie pens or stuff like that. So yeah, keep hold of these because they're perfect little containers. But obviously I'm going to be necking all these teas. I'm going to be like an old English gent. You're going to be coming in and it'll be, how do you do, folks? This is the Festa show. Yeah, so there's a nice little selection of English afternoon teas there. There's 14 tea bags in there, folks. So yeah, our Festa's going to be well happy. What's up next? We got a nice little packet here from Natasha, little green bag of goodness. Oh, she's got them. Honestly, she's so alert. This is the oiler, folks, that we use for the part works. And I'm very heavy-handed, as you know, and I might have squished mine. So I wrapped it up with tape, but I'm running low, and Natasha's obviously spotted that. And I've now got a new one. Oh, Natasha, honestly, you don't realise how useful these are for the part works. So I've now got a replacement. I was literally going to order one of these yesterday, and it's like a sixth sense. I thought, no, I'll wait until the new year, and then I'll order another one for the new year. And Natasha has struck whilst the iron's hot. Any of you that do the part works out there, these are brilliant. These are the little precision oil lube. It's basically a watch applicator where you can just basically go in and put your little drop of oil in, but they're invaluable for the part works, folks. So big thanks to Natasha. she's also noticed I use a lot of these. These are wood veneer sheets, and I'm doing a lot of dioramas and vignettes, and I tend to cover the backs and the sides of the dio with a nice piece of veneer that you can then trim to whatever shape you want and line it with it. And I've been getting through quite a few of these, and Natasha's got me 6 times wood veneer sheets. Pardon me. And these are mahogany, folks, and they're A4 size. But they are a godsend, and I really do enjoy using these. And Natasha, you are a star, darling, because again, I used quite a few of these on the big KA.Models dio. So I was getting low, and she struck again, bless her. And she's got me another 6 of these. So again, darling, thank you very, very, very kindly. A massive, massive, massive hug. And oh my god, oh what? We've got a mechanical music box, folks, and this is a stagecoach, a bit like the old Wells Fargo Wild West carriages and things like that, the stagecoaches. And this is by a company called Rocker. And yes, it's Take a Musical Journey by Stagecoach, and it's got green sleeves, folks. And what a beautiful, beautiful thing. Let's open this up, and we'll do a full looky-loo for you, folks, because why not? Try not to cut my fingers. So let's just run that all the way around there, and we'll get into this by slicing off the plastic. And have a looky-loo at this, folks. So let's see what's written on the back of the box. That's your normal warnings, choking hazards and all of that lot for parents, but they've got some assembly bits and bobs there. But this is a mechanical music box, folks. And it's got a quirky little look about it. I mean, this is from my Amazon list. And yeah, they're sneaky. This is all my Zoom mates from the hangout, and they spot me list, and yeah, and they've been treating me. Look at that though, folks, eh? Let's have a look at the destructions and see what that's telling us, so that you can see you got all your gubbins inside there for the music box and all of that lot. Look how clever that is. It's got the little barrel part on there. The little barrel on there. And then when you wind this up, it agitates these little pins and it plays the tune. What a beautiful, beautiful little mechanism. I can imagine Jeff will be sitting at home, Candygram for Mongo, looking at this going, yeah, I like that. I want to build one. Because I'm fascinated by these little musical things and these little mechanical things. I've always wanted to build an automaton, you know, proper old school wooden automaton gubbins, and build one. There's all your bits and pieces, all your pulleys and stuff. You get all your screwdrivers with it as well, folks. Here's your instructions. Really a lot of paperwork there. Get a nice concise parts list. And then obviously this is all about how the mechanics go together, how it all works, all your different language instructions. Massive, massive detail on how to put this all together. This is going to be really stunning thing to make. I'm really going to look forward to doing this. I'm going to film it because, yeah, it's a gift as well, but I want to film this because there might be other people out there that want to build something like this, so why not? All the different sizes, it's got all the interior in it as well, folks. All the wheels and everything, and it's going to build up into a really, really stunning model. And this is all your wooden parts. So let's slice this open and have a looky, Kinsey. Now I'm going to try not to drop any parts because obviously we don't want to do that, folks, do we? So let's get rid of the placky. There you go. There's a nice bit of abrasive paper there, just so that you can smooth off any nubs. But look how beautifully made and crafted this is. Hey, absolutely beautiful. We've got a nice bit of detail on there. All the curtains and everything. You've got different coloured woods as well. They've been and stained it just to give it a bit of a different look. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm going to have great fun doing this. All your tassels and everything. They've even carved all the detail in there for the wall and material and everything. Yeah, I'm loving this. Look at that. All your different textures all etched in there. A lot of time's gone into that. All your different little bolt heads and everything. But just how intricate this is. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. This is going to be a fun build, folks, isn't it? Nice little video build series coming up. Big thank yous to Natasha, because this is absolutely stunning. And yeah, if you see her in me chats, folks, give her a big hug and a big hello, because yeah, she's taken the time out to think of me. I mean, look at the details. All the engraving and that around here, all these flowers and shapes, filigree there, it's all etched in beautifully. Little rocker logo there on the doors, have some of that. Look, even here, look, you've got all your little intricate inlays and everything carved in there. Absolutely stunning. Little coils there, looks like coiled whips or some kind of suspension there. I mean, obviously, you've got your wheels all beautifully carved there, but right down, folks, to the texture on the seats. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And it says there, Stagecoach 1848, folks. Look at that. And you got a little mouse. See it? Oh, look. They're lovely. Hey? Yeah. And all the curtains there with the ripples in them. It's absolutely beautiful. Honestly, I am blown away yet again. Yeah, I'm going to have great fun putting this together. And yeah, as soon as I'm back at my bench on a regular basis, folks, we can look forward to seeing the video build of this come up, because yeah, it's going to be great to do. There you go, let's put that all together nice and safe. We'll box that back up. Just don't want to lose any of the parts. So there you go, folks. What a lovely set of gifts there from Natasha. So that's your mechanical music box there, folks. Nice little stagecoach. We got an oiler. We've got our post box full of teas. And we got a lovely pack of veneers as well. So Natasha, thank you so very much for your kindness. It really is appreciated. And yet again, you've blown me away. So big hugs issued to you and your birds. I look forward to seeing you all in the hangout soon. I'm on the mend, so I'll be back hopefully live in the new year, folks. We'll start afresh, and then we can get back into a routine. Again, thanks to everyone that's reached out and inquired. I am back home, so yeah, I look forward to seeing you all soon. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Big hugs.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,